Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Hello,
Perfect.
Cayley.
Hello.
Hopefully your slides all work smoothly. I know we've been
Yeah,
back and forth a few times. But yeah, I have no doubt that they will.
should be good.
So yeah, I've reset my timer, so feel free to start whenever you wish.
All right. So, hello, my name is Cayley Harding. I work with the Welsh team, and my project focuses on green solvent process semiconductors. Next slide, please. So, there has been a push towards using green solvents in the industry, ideally alcohols or water-based, specifically to avoid detrimental health and environmental effects. These need to be large-scale printing compatible using printing techniques in lab, like slot die coder shown here, that are more translational to large scale. And ideally, these films will have solvent-resistant properties. This will help to maintain the film integrity in multi-layered electronic systems. And lastly, it is a benefit if these films show some kind of use as a sensor technology, for example, a temperature or an amine sensor. And this is where my project comes in, which fulfills these objectives. With the PDI that John actually mentioned earlier, an easy modification, our semiconductors can be solubilized in alcohol or water. They also show excellent printability, as shown in the bottom right-hand corner, giving reproducible uniform films that have solvent-resistant properties. And finally, these films can be used as a colorimetric amine sensor, turning red to purple with exposure to amines. Next slide, please. So since we can print on flexible plastics, we now have a green solvent-processed, solvent-resistant flexible film. And these processing techniques can be expanded towards other systems. This includes using similar semiconductors and a range of solution formulations which can be kind of tailored towards specific chemical and industrial needs. Thank you very much.
Great, thank you very much, and really interesting results. And as someone that's done a reasonable amount of slot die coating, I'm impressed by the quality of those films in the picture.
Yeah,
it's not an easy technique to perfect.
No. Right.
Have you looked at any other kind of techniques? Have you looked more towards printing rather than coating techniques, or are you focusing mostly on coating?
So we have a couple different types of slot die coders in our lab, and then spin coders, which isn't as translational. So I usually focus on the slot die coders that we do have access to.
That's cool. And it looks like you've been getting very good results. I'm impressed by those film qualities. Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.